Hey, what's going on? It's Doombreaker again, and I'm here with another tutorial for you guys. So I believe this is the fourth episode, I think, of my Visual Basic the Basics series. So today we are going to talk about math. So I'm not sure, but I'm afraid we have to use math. Okay, so that was a little Futurama joke. So what I did was I created a project with a huge button, show outcome, and we are going to double click this button. So I'm going to teach you about the math operators plus, minus, times, and divide. So that's all we are going to do. So let's start off by making a variable. So we learned how to do this and call it result, and to make it an integer, because we are not going to use decimals this time. You can use decimals if you want to, but I'm going to use integers this time. So we are going to type message box, open brackets, and everything is kind of going crazy. Alright, so message box result and close brackets. So if we type is equal to 1 and we debug it, we should see a message box popping up showing 1 when we click the button. So let's test that out. Yep, that's alright. So let's delete that, and we are going to do some basic math. So first of all, let's do result, because that's the result, is going to be 5 plus 5. So we should see 10 now in the message box. Alright, so that's basically how you do it. We can do minus, which will give us 0. Everything looking good. We can do this, which will give us 25. Yep. And then this, which will give us 1. Alright, so that's basically how you use math. But this is not the whole tutorial. You can also do this with variables. So let's say we declare 2 more variables. Dim number 1 as integer, dim number 2 as integer. Now say result is equal to number 1 plus number 2, and if we give the numbers a value right now, so is equal to 7 and is equal to 3, and this should give us 10. Alright, it gave us 10 because it did number 1 plus number 2 and put that into the result. And since number 1 is 7 and number 2 is 3, it will give us 10. So that's kind of the basics of math in Visual Basic. The next tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a pretty easy calculator. So stay tuned for that, and I see you guys next time. Bye.